The demand for efficient kitchen gadgets like vegetable choppers and spiralizers has surged as more people embrace healthy cooking at home. Perfect for busy cooks, meal preppers, and those following low-carb or gluten-free diets, these tools save time and boost creativity in the kitchen. This guide evaluates each product's build quality, versatility. List number 1. Mueller Ultimate 12-Blade Vegetable Chopper, Mandoline Slicer and Spiralizer. The Mueller Ultimate 12-Blade Vegetable Chopper stands out with its versatile design, combining 12 interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, dicing, and spiralizing. Its sharp stainless steel blades ensure clean cuts while maintaining the texture of your veggies. The sturdy construction and non-slip base provide excellent stability during use, making it safe and efficient. Whether you want julienne carrots, spiralized zucchini noodles, or diced onions, this all-in-one tool offers incredible value. Easy to clean and store, the Mueller Ultimate is perfect for daily meal prep and healthy cooking enthusiasts. List number Briefton's 5-Blade Vegetable Spiralizer. Strongest, heaviest spiral slicer. Best veggie pasta spaghetti maker for low-carb, paleo, gluten-free. Briefton's 5-Blade Vegetable Spiralizer is a powerhouse for creating veggie pasta, spaghetti, and ribbons. Known as one of the strongest and heaviest spiral slicers, its durable build and suction base keep it stable on any surface. The 5-blade options provide versatility, producing a variety of noodle thicknesses and styles perfect for paleo, low-carb, or gluten-free diets. Easy to use and clean, this spiralizer is a favorite among health-conscious cooks looking for consistent, restaurant-quality veggie noodles at home. List 3. Full Star, the Original Pro Chopper, Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. Food chopper with container, fruit slicer. Full Star's Original Pro Chopper is a compact yet multifunctional kitchen gadget that offers chopping, spiralizing, and fruit slicing in one device. Its integrated container collects chopped food directly, minimizing mess and simplifying prep work. The included blades are sharp and interchangeable, allowing for quick dicing, slicing, and spiralizing of vegetables and fruits. The ergonomic design and safety features make it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced cooks. Ideal for small kitchens, it combines convenience with versatility, perfect for quick meal prep. List number Ultra Chop, all-in-one vegetable chopper, veggie food chopper with container, spiralizer, mandoline slicer dicer, onion mincer. Ultra Chop's all-in-one vegetable chopper impresses with its multifunctionality, including a vegetable chopper, spiralizer, mandoline slicer, dicer, and onion mincer all in one compact unit. The sharp blades deliver precise cuts, while the robust container collects food for easy transfer to cooking pots or bowls. Its easy-to-clean design and secure grip make it a great kitchen companion for busy cooks who want to save time on prep. The variety of cutting options allows creative culinary exploration, making it a practical investment for any home chef. List 5. Pro Series 16-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. Dupiton Mandoline Slicer, Veggie Chopper, Food Chopper with container. The Dupiton Pro Series 16-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is the ultimate all-in-one tool, featuring 16 interchangeable blades and attachments, including mandoline slicers, dicing grids, and spiralizers. Designed for maximum versatility, it can handle everything from finely diced onions to perfectly sliced cucumbers and curly veggie noodles. The sturdy base and non-slip grips ensure safe use, while the included container keeps your countertop clean during prep. This chopper is perfect for those who want a high-quality, comprehensive veggie prep solution in one compact